Pack just touched down. I don't even know where to start. Alright, man. Show you guys what we got.
How about the grapes, bro?
Nah, they not ready for pickups. We got some Purp purples, you know, that just touched down. We got the raw toes. Just touched down, size 9.5. We got the grapes. Just touched down, you know, something light. We got the OGs right here. Flints. We got some Yeezys. I know some of you guys like Yeezys, something comfortable. Got these right here. Some Yeezys. We got these right here, you know what I mean? I don't know if y'all seen this yet. They tie themselves. Y'all just connect it to your phone. You can charge them. I got the basketball pair right here. And we got some threes. I know y'all guys ain't see these in a minute. We got another pair of threes right here, man. Alright, now let's get into this video. Skin tape up, wavelength on top. Stay tuned.
What's up, guys? Back again with another video. This is gonna be a skin tape up with the grain. I start off with a 2 and then work my way down to a 1.5. I always start off by combing out the hair or brushing it. I feel like combing is more sanitary. And then it just loosens up the waves a little bit. So once I come back with the clippers, which right now I have the Oster 76ers, it cuts a little bit more smooth. Now I'll come back with my wall 1919s to lay down the hair a little bit better, going in the same pattern. Start to see everything come together as you follow the steps that's written. I come back with my half guard to get into detail to remove that bottom line, but that bottom line is his wave. So right now I'm just doing corner work, and I come back with the thinning shears just to remove a little bit bulkage to blend everything in. Now I start to prep the hairline. Normally I like to do one side of the haircut first and then do the other side. So now I prep the front hairline. I start off always by shaping up the corner. And I use the corner as a little pencil. is basically just detail work. Using a lot of corner work, switching the guards, going from the half guard to no guard, lever open, due to that calic in the back of his head in that nape area. So I'm just over here just basically freestyling, like I said before, and just get more into detail work to putting everything up into that calic to create that transition of that taper. After this detail work, I come back and start to shape up around the ear with corner work. Starting off on the left side, you can tell already that his hair grows different from the right side. So I start off the taper the same way, but I kind of remove the bulkage first. So I start off with a 2 and then work my way down. The right hand side, I basically fade down and then kind of fade back up because this side was kind of different to me. The hair grows in different, so I wanted to be safe, you know? So I created that safety barrier by just starting off removing the bulkage and then working down and then working back up to just blend everything in. Usually when starting the hairline, I kind of cut against the grain of the hair that's on the hairline. So if I see like a certain hair going one direction, I cut against it just to make the line pop out. as you see it start getting towards that corner, I kind of leave it natural because it was pushed back previously before, so that's why I kind of wanted to do the skin tape up in the first place, just so when everything regrows, it grows back fresh and natural. And shout out to our cleaning supply guy slash disinfecting guy in the background, always taking care of us. You know, cut kids gotta stay sanitary. As we get towards the end of this video, I want to thank you guys for watching. More videos dropping soon, more content dropping soon, more shoes dropping soon, so stay tuned for that. And Cut Kings, we out here.
Oh shit, pack just came in. Some Yeezys. Shit. No Roll T kicks, man. Website dropping soon, so stay tuned.